Hey guys, today we're going to review Cursor versus Windsurf versus Vscode. Which AI tools is better in this year? So artificial intelligence has changed the way many people work with computers. Today, developers and writers use AI tools to save time and make their work better. Three names that came up often are Cursor, Windsurf, and Vscode. Each one has its own strength and is useful in different ways. So first, Cursor. Cursor is an AI-powered coding tool that acts like a smart partner for developers. It can write code, explain what code does, and even fix mistakes in real time. Many people like Cursor because it makes coding faster and less stressful. It works well for both beginners and experts. One of its features is real-time suggestions, which can help avoid errors before they even happen. However, users still need to double-check the code since the AI is not always perfect. But overall, Cursor is a strong choice for everyone who codes often and wants extra support. So Windsurf, on the other hand, is AI platform that focuses more on writing and general productivity instead of coding. It can create essays, help brainstorm ideas, and polish writing so it looks professional. This makes it very helpful for students, content creators, and business professionals. On the downside, some answers may feel too simple, so users sometimes need to add more details. Even that, Windsurf is a reliable choice for everyone who wants help with writing or research tasks. Lastly, VS Code. So VS Code or Visual Studio Code is one of the most popular code editors in the world. Unlike Cursor, which is focused on AI help, VS Code is a powerful editor with thousands of extensions. Developers use it because it's flexible, free, and works for almost every programming language. It has debugging tools, a built-in terminal, and the ability to customize the workspace. While it does not have built-in AI at the same level, it can connect to many AI extensions, which makes it very powerful. So the right tool depends on whether you are a programmer, a writer, or someone who just need a smarter ways to work. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.